Hello everyone, welcome to another moment with Lorraine. Today I'm going to make a perfume display bottle. Here are the supplies you will need. I found these wooden blocks or Jenga blocks in the toy section at the Dollartree. I took them outside and gave them a good 2 coats of the silver spray paint. These silver blocks will serve as the side of the perfume bottle. I must say, the blocks turned out really nice. I am now going to take my blade and remove the pads from the back of the mirror, so when I apply the glue and lay it on the cardboard, it will lay flat. I am now going to use my E6000 glue, but whichever epoxy glue you have is fine. I am also going to use the hot glue to help secure it while the epoxy glue dries. And no, I am not trying to show my reflection in this video. It was a wear no makeup day. I am removing the glass so I can take the frames outside and spray them. I'm just going to spray the frames with a clear acrylic spray to help to preserve the glitter. Wow, that was a mouthful. Try saying that back to back 5 times. I applied E6000 glue to the inside of the frame and replaced the glass. I am now going to place the mirrors that I glued onto the back of the cardboard onto the top of the glass in the frame. Ooh, now the fun begins. I'm going to put my architectural skills to work and start building the wall, which will be the sides of the perfume bottle. As you can see, these blocks did not go all the way to the corners of the frame, but that's okay because I improvised at the end and you will see what I did. I only used 2 rows of the blocks, but you can make your perfume bottle as thin or as thick as you want it. And like I have mentioned before in the past, if you are making a project and you want it to last, be sure to use the epoxy glue, not the hot glue. Hot glue doesn't seem to last very long and your project will fall apart and it will be very disappointing, so use epoxy. I'm quite happy with the way the sides of this perfume bottle turned out. I'm not quite ready to build a house yet, but this is a start. It is now time to apply the other side of the perfume bottle. I am using some epoxy glue and I will also use some hot glue. The hot glue will stop your work from shifting while the epoxy glue dries. And don't worry about those pesky little strings of glue. Those can easily be brushed away with a clean, dry toothbrush. As you can see, I decorated the edge of the glass candle holder off camera. The candle holder is going to be the lid of the perfume bottle. I'm gluing all the beads together and using them as a filling for the lid. It might look like it took a long time, but it didn't. It was very easy and very quick. There, all done. Easy peasy. Now I'm going to take the bling wrap and attach it all the way around the perfume bottle. First, I attach it with the hot glue, and then I use the E6000 all the way around. But be sure to leave an opening so you can attach the lid of the perfume bottle. You'll see what I mean as I go further around. I am now going to apply a thin piece of the gold bead wrap on both sides of the silver bead wrap. This is where you'll attach the lid. I am now applying some jewel beads to the inside corners of the bottle. If you have some small tweezers laying around, use them. It makes it so much easier to pick up tiny beads and makes the project so much easier. Wow, it is really coming together, and it's not even finished. I don't know why I cleaned the mirror because I almost forgot to stick on the legs, so I'm gonna have to clean the mirror again. I gave the mirror another good clean before adding the stickers. I bought these stickers, decals, appliques, whatever you want to call them. I found them at Hobby Lobby for a great price. And just in case you missed it in the beginning, this is for one of my sisters. She wanted a display perfume bottle to put on her dresser. As you can see, I put tape on the bottom of the mirror to aid me in putting the letters on straight. Now it's time for me to decorate the other side of the perfume bottle, but I'm sure the design that you choose will be fantabulous. I did not want to get too carried away with the decals. Like they say, less is more. When taking a closer look at the bottle, I decided to add a little more of the gold and silver bead wrap on the inside edging on both sides. I also decided to add some silver beads to the corners of where the two bead wraps meet. I went ahead and added the footage of me doing the other side. As I was doing this, I was thinking you could attach two handles on the side of the bottle and get a really cute strap and attach it to those handles. And this bottle would look like one of those high-end fashion purses. It would make a nice addition sitting on a shelf with your purses. This perfume bottle turned out way better than I had imagined. This DIY perfume bottle was so much fun to do. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching my channel. Until next time, take care.